Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Very long and hectic day ahead of me. I've already started my day actually. I've got workout clothes on. I've already done my workout, which is why I look like a mess. And I also woke up and got my period. So today's my first day and the cramps are starting. And I did my workout. I've started like a training session. Um, and today was my second training session, but I'm very excited. Like, I need somebody to help me train, so I'm going to see how that goes, and I will update you in the vlogs to come. After the first session my body is so sore. इतना pain हो रहा है मुझे. Walking, sitting, everything, my arms, legs, everything is hurting. But the workout session was a lot of fun. I'm having apple and pomegranate juice, which is yum. I'm actually not very picky with food as long as it tastes good. That's my only criteria. I actually don't have energy to take bath also, but I need to. I might feel fresh after that, and then I have to get ready to shoot. So, shower transition. And I'm out. I feel so fresh. I need to keep the camera here. I feel so fresh. Oh my god. This is my bathroom wala closet, which is currently empty. I'm just tired of seeing my clothes everywhere in this house, literally. All of my cupboards are full, all of my room furniture, like all the chairs, I have dumped clothes on everything. This is the only place I've cleared out completely because I might change all of this. I emptied this out a couple of months ago and I still haven't made progress. I'm gonna eat now. That's the reason I've worn pajamas again after taking a bath. This is not what I wear every day after bath. I'm just wearing it today because my stomach is hurting now and I just have to eat lunch and I want to be comfortable when I eat lunch, and then I'll do my makeup also in my pajamas and then change into whatever I'm shooting in. I don't know what's there for lunch, so let's go see. How much serum is too much serum? Today's lunch is a little fancy. We have Thai chicken curry and rice. I'm so hungry, and this is actually very yum. This has like a coconut based or gravy. So if you don't like coconut, you might not like this. But I like coconut in moderation, like only in my gravies because I'm a South Indian. I'm used to that. Hello, Mr. Leo. Okay, sorry. I just had lunch and now I'm so tempted to just lie down because my cramps are killing me. But I have so much work that I just I have to go get ready now. Also, I haven't shown this in my vlog yet, as you can see. This happened actually when I was in Delhi because there was some leakage issue over here on this side, and because of the rains, my wallpaper also started to chip. And now that we're planning to do a little bit of renovation, we thought that we should get the water leakage thing fixed first. So that's what we've done, and this is here to dry for some time. And I am still deciding what paint I want to do on this wall. I'm not sure yet what I want to do with my bed. I might get a new bed or I might just change the headboard of this bed. The only thing is this bed is really high, and I feel like I want a lower bed now. I don't know. I need to get myself up and get ready ASAP. I have to do my hair also. Oh my god, I can't stand for so long. What a transformation. I was just lying down on the bed and now I have full hair makeup done, and I've already gone downstairs and shot this look for reels. That's this brown pant and this top. This is actually a very old top that I have worn for the first time, and this was like a reel and a picture thing I just did for Instagram, and now I have to shoot another post for a brand that I'm working with. Ready with my second look, quickly going up to take pictures, and then we'll be back. Today is filming day at my house. Everybody's filming, even Dingy is shooting. So we're going up now to film. She's filming a reel, I'm taking photos. Let's go. I'm back already. My closet is a mess. I'm back. Quickly going to change into my next outfit. I have to do a transition. So I have to wear something normal and then I have to wear an Indian outfit. I don't know what Indian outfit I'm gonna wear, so I'm quickly gonna go look into my mom's cupboard. I'm gonna leave my makeup as it is, change my accessories, and let's go. I'm so out of breath.
Cucumber, pickle, and lettuce है ना? हाँ, lettuce. No tomato. Southwest, mint mayo, and tandoori.
I've never changed so many outfits in one vlog. We're just ordering Subway. Thoda hawa khane ke liye I've sat down. I have to do one last shot in this outfit. We are at the terrace abhi. Our terrace is beautiful, guys. You might have seen on my Instagram because I come up here to shoot a lot of my videos. But it's such a beautiful terrace and यहाँ हवा बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. And we are very hungry, so हम Subway मंगा रहे हैं पहले. She is irritated because she shoots all of my videos, all of my pictures. She's irritated. Wow. It's so hot in this outfit. Oh my god. There's 3 layers, 2 layers, and I can't fold my hands. I can't fold oxygen. Look what I'm wearing. This is my outfit. This is full Indian, and then I am all ready for the next shoot. Before I begin my shoot, I actually had a very exciting package from Doll Scale, and I just wanted to show you all the items that I got from them. So I'm quickly gonna do that. Starting off, I got this plain black t-shirt that has a fire heart. This is my current favorite emoji at the moment, and I really liked it, like a casual t-shirt. Similar to the black, I also got this white full sleeve that has a rainbow heart. Love it. Next up, I have this brown leather top, and I don't know, it gives a very corset-y vibe. I thought I can like create a nice outfit with it. Next, I've got a quad set. This is so out of my comfort zone, but I just wanted to get it, and I thought that I can pair it with different things and be a little funky and step out of my comfort zone. And this is the crop top. I've tried it on and I look like a schoolgirl in it, but I'm sure I can pair it up with something else. This is the skirt. It's like a wraparound skirt, but what I didn't realize when I ordered it is that this is a mini skirt and a low waist one, and I don't wear low waist things because they make me uncomfortable. I don't know, I wear high waist everything, and this is a low waist mini skirt. So if I try to wear this skirt higher, you can see my bum, which I'm not comfortable with, but I can hopefully pair them with different things and it'll look good. I have another quad set. This cute little black strappy top, and it's got daisies on the straps. How cute! The top comes with a matching skirt, and my favorite thing about this skirt is the chain detailing that has daisies on it. So cute! Next up, I got this long sleeve sweater that has flowers on it. All the floral stuff I actually got from a particular collection that was on their website, and I actually liked a lot of pieces from that collection, which is why I got it. Next up, I have a quad set, and this is a very cute crochet set that is in a yellow color, and this is the halter top and it has a flower on it. I love it. And it comes with matching crochet pants that have flowers on the sides of it. It's a very skinny fit, but only the bottom flares out, and it's also see-through. I got this cute little tank top that has this rhinestone roller skate thing happening, and the whole rhinestone thing reminds me of my childhood. Like, we had so many clothes that had rhinestones all over them, but it's so cute. Get into it. The last item clothing wise is this very vibrant orange vinyl jacket that I've got. I actually wore this for a recent photo shoot, and I'll add the picture on the screen if you haven't seen it yet. But I just loved it when I saw it on the website, and it's not something I can wear on a regular basis or wear it very frequently, but I just had to get it because I just wanted something like this in my wardrobe, as part of my wardrobe. Moving on to our last item, I got this really cute bag that I saw on the website. It's a very soft, furry, pink handbag, and it's so cute. It's in the shape of a heart. Cannot wait to wear this out. It's so cute. So that was all the things I got from Dolls Kill, and if you want to know more details, if you want to check their website out, I'll leave everything in the description box. Now let's move on to my next shoot. I'm shooting with my sisters right now. They're all getting ready, and I'm just waiting for them. This is the setup we're shooting in. That's why I just put the camera here. I'm so tired already.
Suddenly you said all you down. I'm still eating khakra.
We have all been filming for a reel that I don't know, might have gone live on my channel, but we all had to wear Indian for that because it is for Raksha Bandhan. Everybody's been shooting since morning. Kuch na kuch.
Can't stand. Sorry guys.
Okay. You all look like
We look like body. We are tall now, that is why.
She should be the one standing. I thought this was the last thing that I had to shoot, but turns out I have one more thing to shoot जिसमें मुझे makeup करना है मेरा or eyeshadow and all that change. So BRB. This was my last look. I look crazy. I'm finally done for the day. It's 12 now and I'm very tired, and I want to take a shower. I've been changing outfits the whole day, running up and down, so I'm gonna go take a shower now, guys. I think I should end the video here, but मेरे shout outs कहाँ हैं? But I hope you guys enjoyed this, even though it was super hectic for me and I couldn't show you much of what I was doing. I tried to film as much as I could. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I will see you all next time. The shoutouts for today go to Samiksha Dalvi and Devanshi Patel. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and let me know on this video that you have. I will see you all next time.